What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. And in today's video, guys, it's all about Monavale. As you guys can clearly see, it has gone for a huge increase in value. In the last 24 hours itself, it has gone up over 50% and it's currently trading at just below $482. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video. Is it crypto to buy right now? Is it too late? If you are on a profit, should you sell it? Or is it a crypto to be holding on to at the moment before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days and so on? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months and overall in 2023. How high will Monavale go, and is it crypto worth investing into this year? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just over a percentage, and who do we have as a top gainer? It is indeed Monavale, gaining about 57%. So in the last hour, it has managed to drop half a percentage. It's been quite volatile. Over the last day, a massive 54%, as you can see, consistently increasing in value over the last 24 hours. Over the week, 62%, and we can clearly see it all started about yesterday evening, yesterday evening, as you can see, where it started to pump up in value, and it's still ongoing right now. And over the month, it is 65% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,800%, guys, making it $1.7 million in trading. Again, that's a huge percentage increase in trading volume. Again, the only reason is it's one of the top trending cryptos right now, and is a top gainers in the last 24 hours as well. So it's getting a lot of attention around it, a lot of hype. More and more people are looking into this project, meaning it's getting a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers taking out the profits, and in general just a lot more traders, meaning it is also helping its value increase as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Monavale, which is here in purple at $330. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in green at $490, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. And as you can see, it's very close to hitting the $500 mark. In fact, earlier today it did hit $499, meaning basically just about $500. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is literally flat out going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish, meaning over the next 12 to 14 hours, so by midday tomorrow, early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, we should expect Monavale to have gone for an overall increase in value. However, nothing too crazy, guys. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, potentially heading up to just about $500 is what I'm expecting. And again, that doesn't mean from this point onwards we are going to be consistently hitting green candles. Of course not. We are likely to hit red candles in between as well, where it's likely to take a little dip, just like how it's been performing over the last couple of hours, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So heading towards $500 is what I'm expecting in the early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking very bullish, very positive, guys, and it is looking quite steep as well, meaning it is not realistic. Again, the only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. Even though, yes, I'm expecting just about an increase over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid next week, I'm not expecting anything too crazy, anything major. In fact, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to gain value just above $500 by mid next week. So again, potentially around $505 to $510 is where I'm expecting Monavale to be trading at by mid next week. So as you guys can imagine, that is not a major increase. That is indeed very, very minimal. So that is what my predictions are at the moment over the next week or so from Monavale. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We do have the blue and the orange line once again looking very bullish, very steep. So again, it is not realistic, but in this case over the next couple of weeks, so let's say over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid September 2023, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Monavale once again, and this time we should be hitting about $800 to $820 in September. Again, depending on how the crypto market performs, any news that come out regarding Monavale, this could change either in a positive or negative direction. But what I am telling you guys is with the current price prediction and current news that are going on, I'm expecting a slow and steady increase in value over the next 2 months from Monavale and the crypto market in general. For example, guys, let me give you a quick example. If Bitcoin managed to pump up to 35-40k, we are of course going to see major increases in the crypto market, including Monavale. However, if somehow it decides to drop down to 20-25k, we are going to see major drops in the crypto market. Again, this depends on any news that come out that can have a potential impact on the value of Bitcoin in specific or the crypto market in general. For example, if Elon Musk tweets about Monavale or Bitcoin tomorrow, this can have a major pump. Again, these things are not predictable. I can't predict what Elon Musk is going to say. No one can predict it except himself. So again, there's a lot of factors that come into play when it comes to predicting cryptocurrency, and that is why it's a very volatile market. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Monavale, guys. By the end of the year, we should be heading towards the $1,000 mark for Monavale. Again, it's at nearly $500 right now. As you can see, it's still pumping up to nearly $500. By the very end of the year, we should more or less be trading around the $1,000 mark, again depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Monavale, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what your predictions and your takes on this crypto, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.